Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about our first Hello World project and how to design a UI part. So firstly we go to layout section and in which we select a layout resource file. So over here I am just naming my layout as a Hello World layout. And do make sure whenever you are writing the file name, you write down all the character in lowercase. Then I'll just take my root element as a linear layout. So whenever I hit the enter, so I can see there one screen is created. So I'll just go to the coding part section over here in which we can see there are two parameters which is given as a width and height. As we are developing our application in a two dimension, so we have to declare width and height of our application. And for linear layout, one root element is necessary, which is orientation. So over here, I can see that orientation is by default mentioned in a vertical. So basically, whatever content I write, I just it will align vertically to the top content. So let's just say if I want to write a text view, so over here I just write a text view. I'll just take a width of match parent and the height is of a wrap content, and I'll just close the text view and I just write down over here text as a hello world. So over here you see there is a one text view appeared which says hello world. And now if I just copy the code and just paste it over here, paste this code below the hello world. So now both the text view is aligned vertically. So that's how basically our linear layout look like. If I have given the width is wrap content, and over here also I have given the width wrap content. Now if I just put down orientation as horizontal, so you can see that our text view is horizontally aligned with each other. So that's how orientation works in a linear layout. Now coming back to our text view, so this is how our text view look like in our UI. So we can use different parameters for text view such as a text size. So if I want to increase the size of text, so I can just write it down over here. So I have write a 20 dp, so it will set text according to that one. If I write down 30 dp, so it will increase the size of text view. Now if I want to change my text style, so I can just make it as a bold or italic. So over here I'll just make it as a italic, and yeah, based on that one you can select a different text style. Now let's just say if I want to make apply color to my text view, so that's also I can apply using textColor. Here I write down the color code. So now my text view, and obviously you can select any color from here, color palette. So definitely it's up to you how you want to see your text view. Apart from colors, you can also add an vector asset in a text view. So for that you have to go to in a drawable section, right click on the new one and go to vector asset. Over here you have to select any vector asset. Let's just say I'll search for the world if there is available or not. So no, not available. Let's just say earth icon is not available, so I'll choose any other icon from here. So if it's a app setting icon, so yeah, I'll choose that one, and I'll just select the color of my icon. That's fine, and I'll go to the next and I finish. So now if I want to apply icons, so what I have to do, just I have to write a left or right. So in drawable left, if I write, and I'll just declare the icon. So that's how I can declare icon. If I want to do a margin and padding to icon, so then also I can do. So drawable padding, so I'll just write down 10 dp, so it will give spacing to text view from drawable. Also I can apply margin and padding property to text view. So margin is spacing from the outer surface. So let's just say if I want apply margin of 20 dp, so my whole text view move from left, top, bottom, and right side from 20 dp. If I simply apply padding to text view, so let's just say if I apply a padding of 20 dp, so now my text view has been moved from inside of 20 display pixel. So basically from left side, from top, from bottom, and from right side, the text view has been moved to 20 dp. So that's how we can apply different properties in a text view. If you want to apply background color, then also you can choose a background color to particular text view. Let's just say we apply a background color over here, and you can choose a transparency level as well. So if you want to make your background transparent, you can do from this section, and you can also choose a light color. It's up to you how you want to choose your background, and that's how you can apply different properties to text view. Also, you can align this text view in the center. So if I just write a gravity center, and let's just make a gravity center, so it will horizontally align. And if I just make a layout gravity center, so it will center the whole content from the our layout. So this is how you can apply different properties to the text view.